Understanding manufacturing, from raw materials to finished goods. Manufacturing is a complex and vital sector that is essential to the global economy. It involves transforming raw materials into finished products through the use of tools, machinery, human labor, and chemical processes. In this article, we will delve deeper into the various aspects of manufacturing, its historical evolution, types, techniques, processes, and its current significance in our economy. Key takeaways. Manufacturing fundamentals. At its core, manufacturing is about adding value to raw materials, allowing businesses to sell finished goods at a higher cost than the raw material investment. Historical context. Before the Industrial Revolution, most goods were handcrafted. The shift to mechanized production increased efficiency and output. Economic indicators. Financial analysts closely monitor manufacturing reports, such as the ISM Manufacturing Report, as signals for economic health. Diverse classification. Manufacturing can be categorized by types, processes, or techniques, reflecting the adaptability and complexity of the industry. The importance of manufacturing. Manufacturing is a cornerstone of many economies, playing a significant role in generating employment and contributing to the gross domestic product, GDP. It transforms basic raw materials like metal, wood, and food into marketable products such as electronics, furniture, and packaged foods. The inherent value added during this conversion process is what makes manufacturing a potentially lucrative segment of the business chain. Efficiency and productivity. Efficiency is vital in manufacturing as it leads to higher productivity. Manufacturers can improve efficiency by reducing redundancies. Streamlining processes to eliminate unnecessary steps can greatly enhance productivity. Quality improvement. Focusing on quality assurance to minimize defects saves time and costs. Equipment upgrades. New, advanced machinery can boost production rates and improve product quality. Goal setting. Establishing smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals facilitates greater focus. Streamlining supply chains. Maintaining a smooth flow from resources to finished goods mitigates delays. Types of manufacturing. Manufacturing processes have evolved significantly over time. Key types include hand manufacturing. Traditionally, goods were made by hand using simple tools. This method is often associated with artisanal crafts and bespoke items, which can carry a higher price due to their uniqueness and labor-intensive nature. Mechanized manufacturing. In large-scale operations, mechanization allows for the mass production of goods. Machines operate at a high capacity with limited human intervention, requiring skilled workers primarily to oversee the machinery. Additive manufacturing. Also known as 3D printing, this technology builds up products layer by layer. It offers flexibility, rapid prototyping, and personalization. Advanced manufacturing. This incorporates technology such as robotics and automation to enhance production capabilities and efficiency. It allows firms to develop new products more quickly. Contract manufacturing. Businesses commonly collaborate with external firms to outsource specific manufacturing processes. This is prevalent in industries like automotive, where companies focus on core competencies while outsourcing parts manufacturing. Manufacturing techniques. Make-to-stock, MTS. In MTS, manufacturers produce goods based on forecasted demand. This traditional method allows for bulk production but carries the risk of inventory excess if demand estimates fall short. Make-to-order, MTO. In contrast, MTO focuses on customization. Production begins only after a customer places an order, leading to less inventory risk but potentially longer lead times. Make-to-assemble, MTA. MTA involves producing components in advance. Assembly occurs when orders are received, providing a balance between stock availability and customization. Manufacturing processes. Manufacturing techniques can be further classified into distinct processes. Discrete manufacturing. Each manufactured product can be distinctly identified. It's common in industries like electronics, where final products are assembled using various components. Process manufacturing. This includes batch or continuous processes, often used in food and beverage, chemicals, and oil and gas industries. Here, production runs continuously or in batches based on formulated recipes. Mixed mode manufacturing. This combines discrete and process techniques, used mainly in instances where standard goods are later customized based on customer specifications. Job shop manufacturing. Tailored for smaller batches of highly customized products, this process requires flexibility and unique setup for each order. The history of manufacturing. Prior to the Industrial Revolution, goods were typically handmade. However, developments such as steam power offered significant operational advantages. The mass production techniques popularized by Henry Ford in the early 20th century introduced the assembly line, which increased efficiency and reduced costs. The advent of computers and sophisticated machinery has further transformed the landscape, enabling high-tech manufacturing methods that typically necessitate skilled labor. While low-skilled jobs have migrated to regions with cheaper labor, high-precision manufacturing continues to thrive in developed countries. Measuring manufacturing's economic impact. To assess the manufacturing sector's contributions to the economy, analysts track various indicators. One key metric is manufacturing value added, MVA, reflecting the manufacturing output relative to GDP. The ISM Manufacturing Report acts as an economic barometer, summarizing industry trends and providing insights into employment and new orders. As of March 2024, approximately 12.95 million Americans were employed in manufacturing, highlighting its significance in the job market. With manufacturing output contributing over $2.85 trillion to the GDP, it accounts for about 10.3% of the economic output in the U.S. Steps in the manufacturing process. 1. Develop the idea, brainstorming the product vision and target audience. 2. Perform market research, understanding materials, potential improvements, and competitor offerings. 3. Design the product, creating a design that meets customer needs while considering manufacturing constraints. 4. Finalize and prototype, making decisions on materials and processes, followed by prototype development. 5. Prototype testing, evaluating the prototype for viability and efficiency. 6. Manufacture the good, full-scale production using necessary machinery and labor. 7. Monitor the process, continuously assessing manufacturing efficiency and market demands for improvement. Manufacturing versus production. Although often used interchangeably, manufacturing and production denote different scales of process. Manufacturing focuses on the transformation of raw materials into tangible products, while production encompasses a broader framework that may include both tangible and intangible outcomes. Example of effective manufacturing: Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota is renowned for its efficient manufacturing processes, famously employing the principles of lean manufacturing to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. They utilize two core concepts. Jidoka, immediately halting production when issues arise, thereby preventing the creation of defective products. Just-in-time, JIT-only manufacturing what is necessary based on current demand, thus avoiding excessive inventory. Conclusion. Manufacturing serves as a critical pillar of economic strength, evolving significantly from its artisanal roots to a complex, technology-driven industry. As manufacturing technologies continue to advance, the efficiency, speed, and sophistication of production processes will undoubtedly keep evolving, maintaining its relevance in a constantly changing economic landscape. Whether through traditional techniques or modern innovations like 3D printing, manufacturing remains fundamental to meeting consumer needs and driving economic growth.